Hi there, I'm Darcy Reimer from Neelan High School in Brandon, and I'm going to talk about the effects of Manitoba pork production on the environment. Hog farming has many advantages, including economic value, nutrient-rich fertilizers, as well as feeding the world. According to the Manitoba government, between 16 and 17,000 people are currently employed by the pork industry. The economic spin-off to the provincial economy is estimated at $2 billion. Manitoba and Saskatchewan produced 5.8 million pigs for slaughter in 2012. Pig manure contains elements such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Nitrogen helps plants grow faster, phosphorus helps improve root development, and potassium helps plants form proteins. Manitoba pork helps to feed the world. Their main exports for pork are to the USA, Japan, Mexico, China, and South Korea. Pork is popular. Over 43% of the world's meat consumption is from pork. On average, Canadians consume 17 kilograms of pork per person annually. In 2011, Manitobans exported more pork than any other Canadian province. One example of negative impacts on Manitoba pork is the Lake Winnipeg issue. Lake Winnipeg is suffering due to algae blooms. Unfortunately, pork production is a large cause of this problem. Lake Winnipeg's watershed is the second largest in Canada and includes parts of 4 provinces as well as 4 states. It covers nearly 1 million square kilometers and is home to nearly 7 million people. Lake Winnipeg is both very valuable to Manitobans as well as our economy. Over 23,000 permanent residents live in 30 communities along Lake Winnipeg's shores. In the 2010-2011 year, the total value of commercial fish from Lake Winnipeg was $16,259,317. 395,100 people visited Grand Beach during the summer of 2002. Excess phosphorus in Lake Winnipeg stimulates excessive plant growth, such as algae. This is called eutrophication, and it also affects fishing. Fishermen in Lake Winnipeg are bringing in larger and more plentiful catches. Unfortunately, it is predicted that when algae dies and decays, it will use up oxygen, making survival for aquatic life more and more difficult. Also, blue-green algae is becoming more and more common in the lake. This type of algae is dangerous to humans. Phosphorus enters the animal through their plant-based, high in phosphorus feed. This diet helps strengthen their bones. Phosphorus exits the pig through their feces, resulting in manure that is rich in phosphorus and desirable as a plant fertilizer. The manure is spread over the farmers' fields. Spring floods, irrigation, rainwater, and snowmelt all carry phosphorus from farmers' fields into the river system. The rivers within the watershed all deposit their phosphorus in Lake Winnipeg. Some farmers have been using new farming techniques, such as using band spreaders to apply slurry behind trailing shoes. This buries fertilizers under the soil, limiting phosphorus runoff. Also, man-made marshes have been put in place to absorb phosphorus before it gets to the lake. In summary, Pork Manitoba helps the economy, the soil, and the feeding of the world. Alongside farmers and students like myself, they're striving to find a solution to our lake's crisis. Thanks for watching.